So much confident. Aaliyah Butler of Georgia was coming back, but look at this white jerseys.
So welcome to the channel, and I'll be giving you guys a very quick update about a 400-meter race at the Outdoor Championship. Now, NickiSha Pryce made Jamaica very proud by setting a new record by becoming the second fastest woman in the 400 meters from Jamaica, and this is the news in details. Now, the news was reported. Watch the moment NickiSha Pryce from Jamaica became the second fastest Jamaican woman ever over 400 meters at the SEC Outdoor Championship in a time of 49.32 seconds. So it is very safe to say that NickiSha Pryce became the second fastest Jamaican woman in the 400 meter, breaking a time of 49.32 seconds in the 400 meters. A big congratulations to NickiSha Pryce, a big congratulations to Jamaica, because it means that NickiSha Pryce will do well in Paris Olympic 2024.